Today is checking for the shock. Normally, if you drive, you have a lot of bouncing, so possibility is your stress or your shock is dead. So a lot of times shock's dead is truck is bouncing because the shock does not holding like pressure. So to test on that, you can push the bumper to see if it's bouncing like this. See how much bouncing? Even though I left my hand already, it's still bouncing. Okay. See that? And it shouldn't be bouncing like this. Okay. It's bouncing a lot. Okay. So we'll replace the shock, and this is 2011, and it should very similar to all the Chevy and GM product like Silverado and the GMC Sierra and Silverado is pretty much same truck, but they touch up here and there, bumper or grill, a little bit here and there different, but they pretty much the same truck. Okay, here is a very simple truck, easy to take him out even though you are not truly a good mechanic working. Up here you got 3 bolts holding it. You don't have to go through right here, you can go through on the top, and the bottom here is only 2 bolts holding the bottom. Okay, and that's it at the bottom. Okay, on the top, these 3 here, just unplug the electrical holder right here. Okay, just go back to the bottom and pull out. The best is losing the sway bar a little bit, so it has some play, so it will be easier. Okay, that is got some room for me to play. See that? I just push down and that just drop it off and pull in this way. So I will compress this right here. You can go to O'Reilly, AutoZone, any auto part probably. Just renting one of this. It's a huge spring on this big one. Put one on the other side. Compress it evenly. It's just spinning. I have to do is using a plier or a clamp to hold it. Okay. Now let's come off. Just take the top piece off. Let's push the old one. It doesn't return at all, okay? And then the new one, you can see that return. Okay, So that's the difference between the old and the new one. I'm gonna put this plastic piece right here to because the new one doesn't have it. So in case, because this was stopping making squeaking noise, probably that's what they're using this piece of rubber here to put on the bottom here. Okay. Let's set that. Okay. Now I'm ready to put this bad boy back inside here. Set this in. Make sure it sit where it's supposed to. Then insert this back inside here. They always go inside where it should go, so you don't miss it. Okay. Okay, now the nuts is loading already. One thing that you have to do, okay, align this right here straight to the middle right here. Have to be flat out straight. You don't have to if you don't want to, but to get your job easier, align this bolt right there straight to right here, the middle here, and this have to be flat. If you don't, when you insert this in there, then this off, then it's for you to, you know, turn this to make it straight like this. It's not going to be easy. You see how heavy the spring load right here? So to make your job easier, make sure you align it. Okay, so time to redetach my coil. That's it, done. So time to put it back in the car. Okay, as I align, so I'm reinserting straight. Then just plug it in back up here. See that? Easy pop in. So just put this nut inside here to hold it inside here already straight, so I don't have to be struggle. Okay, that's it. Done. Okay, after the shot has been installed, and let's do a test again. You see that? The different, it moved, but it's a bounce. You see, the original one is bouncing a lot. So even though I release it, and the truck's still bouncing. That's the difference. Now it doesn't bounce no more. So that's the problem. Alright, thank you for watching. Bye bye now. Subscribe please.